Yeah, man. So the cleanup effort obviously have started, and more people are getting involved in the distribution of food. You know, celebrities. Let's say Nicki Minaj. I think I saw her husband in Jamaica. This dude from TikTok called Blam Dem, One Dem, man, mix up. Yeah, man. Him send barrel. How many others do what they can do on an individual level? You know, people. My brother, he's going down. I don't know when we're gonna upload this video, but he's going down today, and around 4 big suitcases about to carry. Yeah, man. So I'm happy to see what go on. People still are suffer, people still homeless, people still hungry, but at least the effort is increasing, and it give you a look of positive feeling, because Jano, watching the videos of the disaster and the aftermath, it depressing. So we have a nice little lineup today of cleanup and a little more positive vibes, so to speak. So I don't know if you can watch and laugh and enjoy, but however you feel about it, you can express it in the comment section.
This is Montego Bay at the moment.
My name is Sharon Penn Taylor. I must say the Army has been supportive throughout this hurricane. I have food. They have come, they have allowed us to talk with them, reason with them. My roof, even though it's gone, the house is gone. They have installed tarpaulins. They bought some stuff from some roofing material, and we are about to come out of the truck that we are presently in to go in the room because they are supposed to return. They have come, they took an assessment of what the building will need. They have partially cleaned up the yard of the blocks that blocked the house, that fell from the house, and they promised that they would come back, but they have not been back yet, simply because I understand that they have been deployed to other homes, and there are other mothers like me who would want the help. I'm so appreciative of the Army. I never knew that JDF, I would have gotten the response from JDF that I have gotten, even the emotional support. It's even better than the physical being here and to help me. As a matter of fact, the house was so dirty. There is nothing that we could ever clean. We clean. If you go in the house now, that house is super clean. It is the JDF that has done it. We did not know that was what they were here for. I am so very grateful.
Bomber, the point of situation of in rough. Yeah, man, right now, situation rough. Point place. All this blood clot, nice like this, and that. And the last started done. Only place right now, Mobile can get water, cook and wash. Only place. Yeah, man, all who don't like work, have to work or not. Disaster. People don't look water for bathe, wash, everything. Yeah, man, all who don't like work, have to work now.
We're loading up these 2 flatbed trucks, and we're going to take these all the way out. It's like a 6.5-hour drive to get out to Westmoreland. So this area is in desperate need of supplies, and we're getting word that there's hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of families that have not received aid.
Yes, sir, yes.
To be
orderly, okay?
Yeah. All right. Sorry about
So this shows you the line. Everybody's being respectful.
Anybody buy you? There you go.
Wow, that was wild. It was a little hectic at first, but by the end we were all like jumping and cheering, and everybody was so happy to get food up here and supplies.
Hey everyone, Johnny with Light and Storm Disaster Relief calling you from Montego Bay, Jamaica. We landed about 5 hours ago, and boy, it is, pictures and news articles don't do this justice. Everywhere you see is destroyed. This is actually some of the better shaped buildings here, and this is actually at the West Jamaica Conference Office, where they are setting up pods, and they have churches all over Jamaica, and they're turning those into hubs to where victims and volunteers can pick up humanitarian aid, rice, beans, all that, but they're running low. So if you would like to donate and you don't know where to, and you're in Jamaica and you don't know where to send them to, send them here. This is the West Jamaica Adventist Conference. It's right across from the hospital, and you know, they're great people. They're setting up and really doing a lot of aid and trying to bless their community. If you would like to come and volunteer, message me. There's direct flights to Montego Bay via commercial. I would ask that if you could put just some dry food or a bag of rice in your bags when you come, so that way we can have something to give to the people. There's no water, no electricity here. It's been going on for over a week since the storm hit. So I ask that you can please keep these people in your prayers. If you can't volunteer, please consider donating. I know money's tight right now, and it's asking a lot, but I ask that you can help your fellow neighbor here in Jamaica and just help them to be able to rebuild and at least make it through to enough to eat. So we love you. God bless you. Any more information, let me know, and I'm looking forward to serving with you. God bless.
All right, peace, peeps. We appreciate you guys watching. Per usual, the Jamaicans overseas continue to do what you're doing. Western Union line them long, but still send them money. And as I've been preaching, one person out of each family where the overseas can jump on a plane and fly down with 4 suitcases. Send 2 barrels. The suitcase got obviously reach with you, so you can distribute some stuff. Your people then can have things here. You know what crazy? We had a conference family call, my brother, uncle, sister, and I. And my uncle said, you don't need to go down, go check your mother. And brother said, yo, I'm going down, I need to see my mother. And then I said, bro, to be honest, the money we gonna spend if you go down, can't use it for something else. Then you go give her yada yada. And he said, bro, you can't convince me, I'm going down. I said, no, I can't try to convince you, bro. I'm just, want this to be logical. Don't act by emotions. The dog said, no, brother, emotions me act on. I'm being logical, I'm going down. And a good thing the man say I go down, because trust me, when we mother finally get in contact with us, and we had a conference call yesterday, and she tell me what go on, and she have supply we can last for a while, but you never know, it might run out. So, and then my brother buy a Starlink for her, then my cousin buy 2 Starlink for 2 different side of her family, and send down some phone, send down some other stuff. You think me I saying people need money right now because it's time for rebuild, so that being sent down. So I'm just glad my brother decides saying I'm going to follow me and my uncle. Yeah man, sometimes you have to stick to your guns, don't. Anyway peeps, me hope you alright, me hope you stay safe, and as usual, God bless, yeah.